Assalamu alaikum. I am Mokibul Hassan. On behalf of Professional Excel Trainer, I welcome you all. Today we will be discussing the Excel name box. Although there are many ways to use name box, today, we will see 6 different uses of this item. Use case number 1. It shows the address of the active cell. Here it would be helpful if you were clear about one thing. In Microsoft Excel, active cell and selected cells are not the same. If you look at the screen, here I have selected several cells. All these cells are gray color, but only one cell is white color. This white color cell is the active cell. Use case number 2. We can use the name box for navigation purposes, also. If we put AT100 in the name box and press enter on the keyboard, Excel will automatically select the AT100 cell. By this same method, we can navigate to different sheets as well, and we will learn about them later. Use case number 3. Now we will see how we can select more than one cell with the help of the name box. For this purpose, we need to type B4:020 in the name box and press enter. This action will select the cell range. Use case number 4. An important term of Excel is named range. We can create it easily using the name box. We will see details later on. For the time being, we will see an example. Let's create a named range. To create the named range, we will select from E4 to J14 for this purpose. For example, we will use Hassan as the name. So we type in Hassan in the name box. Now, we need to press enter on the keyboard to confirm it. Use case number 5. You will see a drop-down option at the right-hand side of the name box. You can see this drop-down only if you have created one or more named ranges. Okay, if you click on this drop-down, you can see all the named ranges you have created. Since we have created only one named range and we named it Hassan, so we are getting that single named range here. Now, if we click on the name, Excel will automatically select all the cells we had selected while creating the named range. Use case number 6. Use case number 6 is not a use case, but it is still important as there are several use cases of the named range, and we will learn them gradually throughout this video series. So, stay tuned and don't miss any upcoming videos. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to be connected and ring the bell icon to get instant notifications about new videos as soon as they get published. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. You can share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We would like to hear your suggestions. Assalamu alaikum.